I've got to ask you this. Have you been using videos in your posts with your message and call to action in the comments section, hoping to drive some traffic and sales to your offers? Yeah, it's a smart strategy to use videos to stop scrollers and make them take notice of your video. But the problem is that the scrollers are only looking at the visual content. Most videos on Facebook are indeed played on mute. People don't care to hear what is being said in the video, let alone read what's written under the video. At the most, they will read the title that may help them understand what the video is all about. And once the video is over, these scrollers are on their way scrolling to other interesting visual content. So yeah, you succeeded in entertaining them rather than turning them into customers. Here's where you went wrong. Your video lacked a strong visual call to action. You used video in your post instead of video ads. Now, I want to encourage you to stop wasting your time, energy, and money. I'm here to tell you that you have to start using video ads and viral memes to get more traffic, engagement, and sales. Now, here's where video ads differ from normal videos. Video ads have your message, such as text, logo, or call to action, embedded inside the video in such a way that the message looks like a part of the video itself. Now, the call to action could be your website address, phone number, a link to your landing page, or anything that you want your viewer to focus on. Now, this increases your chances of turning your viewers into customers by 300%. Now, I know there's a good chance you have used video ads to try and get traffic and sales, but let me ask you this. How many times did you hit the social media with different ads and memes for the same offer? Once? Twice? On an average, your visitors visit the Facebook app 14 times a day. Are you there every time they visit? Of course not. To be there every time they visit, or at least half the time they visit, you have to run more video ads and memes, and not the same one on the loop the entire day. Remember, the content has to be different so that you are not ignored. You need more video ads than ever before because a lot of people are already using video ads, so how can you beat that competition? And the answer is VidFactory. You see, your competitors are using one of the two ways to create their video ads and memes. One, they are creating these video ads using expensive and complicated tools like Camtasia and After Effects. This means they are spending a lot of money, time, and energy creating these video ads. And this also means they are not creating too many video ads, or they are getting these video ads created by a professional. And that's even more good news. A decent-looking video ad on a platform like Fiverr would cost you more than $850. So that's all the more expensive, and chances are most of your competitors are rarely using this. But thankfully, you don't have to go down that same path. VidFactory helps you to create video ads and viral memes in seconds. Just pick any video. It could be your own video, a YouTube video, or even a video from the inbuilt library of thousands of high-resolution, free-to-use professional videos, and turn it into a stunning video ad or meme in seconds. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Just pick a video, add images, music, voiceovers, text, narrations to whatever part of the video you want, and then hit render. You have whatever part of the video you want, and then hit render. You have your video ad ready. It is that simple. You could choose multiple parts of the video and embed different messages, texts, and call to actions to them. You could change the size, color, and positioning of your message inside the video frame and where you want. Or you can have your message pasted on the top and bottom of your entire video, turning it into a viral meme. The possibilities are the simplicity and speed at which VidFactory helps you create these ads and memes. That's mainly the reason why we are calling this tool the Camtasia and After Effects Killer. But wait until I tell you this. Today, as part of this special offer, you can get access to VidFactory at a low one-time price. And there's more. You can also get yourself the developer's license to it at no extra cost and without upgrading to Pro. Isn't that fantastic? You can start creating stunning video ads and memes, not just for yourself, rather for your clients too. Yes, you could sell these ads and memes at whatever price you want, to whomever you want. This is not just a tool you are investing a little money in, it's a business. Other freelancers and professionals on platforms like Fiverr are using tools like Camtasia and After Effects to create video ads and memes. Now you can easily beat them at it now with VidFactory. You could price your video ads and memes lower than them. They can't do that because they have paid a lot of money for their tools and they have spent a lot of time creating these ads with their complex tools. You could deliver these ads faster too. Unlike with tools like Camtasia where you need a couple of days to create the ad, with VidFactory you could do it well in seconds. And the best part is you don't have to install or download anything on your computer. Unlike Camtasia, you can access VidFactory from anywhere at any time with whatever device you want. It's 100% cloud-based and mobile responsive. Isn't that awesome already? Wait! One last piece of good news before you scroll down to get access to VidFactory. I know you won't need it, but I am still offering you to try VidFactory for free for 30 days. If at any point of time within the 30 days from now you don't like or want VidFactory, just drop a message at support and I'll have your refund processed instantly without any questions. Now, I have told you about a mind-blowing way to create stunning video ads and memes in just seconds. I've shown you how it works, and I have assured you that your purchase is absolutely risk-free. You could try it for the next, 30 days, and if you're not satisfied, you get your money back. Now, you can go ahead and comfortably try VidFactory. I'm excited to see you in the members area.